Hi Doug, I just wanted to show you what's causing the thumping noise on your Selectric. This hub is cracked, so the hub that this belt attaches to is actually cracked. You can see there, I don't know how clear that is. I'm just going to try and I'm going to crank it over and you'll hear the thump as it goes down there. You can see it come back, that line. It's right here. So now if I power it on, you'll actually hear it as it goes really fast. Position that up, and there we go. So that's going to need to be changed. The belt is also starting to fray, so at the same time that's going to need to be changed. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Thanks.